What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is the amount of work required to be done in an electrical circuit to maintain the potential difference or to maintain the flow of the current in that circuit is known as electrical energy. That is the work, I am repeating, work required to be done to maintain the flow of current in the electrical appliance or the electrical circuit. Electrical energy is expressed as power into time. Since power is equal to energy upon time, therefore energy will be equal to power into time. What is the unit of power? Watt. What is the unit of time? Second. That this watt into second is known as joule. That is, joule is equal to watt into second. This is the SI unit of electrical energy. The one bigger unit of the electrical energy is kilowatt hour. That is known as the commercial unit of electrical energy. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour. It is kilowatt hour. What is kilowatt hour? Kilowatt hour is equal to kilowatt into hour. It is the bigger unit of electrical energy and also known as commercial unit of electrical energy, and also it is known as the BOT. What is the full form of BOT? Board of Trade Units. This BOT means Board of Trade Units. So what is a commercial unit of electrical energy? Kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is equal to kilowatt into hour. Kilowatt is the bigger unit of power and hour is the bigger unit of the time. We have to represent kilowatt hour into joules. That is, we have to find the relation between kilowatt hour and joules. Relation between kilowatt hour and joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. Means we have to convert this unit in the SI term. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 3600 seconds. That is 3 zeros, 2 zeros. Watt second. What is watt second? Watt second is equal to joules. In the standard form, it can be written as 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. That is, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This 1 kilowatt hour is also termed as 1 unit of electricity. Suppose in your household circuit, the meter is used. When the electricity bill comes, it is written as the 2 units, 1 unit. The amount of the electricity consumed in your home is suppose 2.3 units, 1 unit. Then what is 1 unit? 1 unit of electricity means 1 kilowatt hour. That means in your household circuit, the amount of the electricity consumed in a month is suppose 1 unit. That is 1 kilowatt hour or 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. And if it is 2 unit of electricity, 2 units means it is 2 kilowatt hour. If it is 3.5 units, that means it is 3.5 kilowatt hour. And in this term, the electricity bill is prepared.